Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jaguar. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 17,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.